Video for Kevin. This is the prototype number 2. With the angles, it makes a huge difference. Look at this. Look out. It's already on the back of the tire. That's the way it's supposed to be. You want to touch the back, and you can see the front. There's a gap on the front. Complete opposite with the straight arms. Anyway, let's see how the jacking goes. So it's immediately it's touching the back, and that means there's a lift going on. Okay. Let me put this down here. I also like it. Remember how it was sliding off? I think because of the rubber in the back, that's what's causing this move. That's what's causing that thing to slip, is because it didn't have that friction on the back. Okay, well, I've got that much higher than it needs to go. But you can see real quickly, now it looks like it can come out even a little bit more. But however, it's a lot more touch, a lot more contact than it was before. But you can see, Alex, there's a little bit more we can go. But I'd like to see that on a dually wheel, not just a single wheel. But overall, the angle that we have right now will work. I jacked it up a bit more. You can see that this caster is just above that little thing there. And here, we put this completely here. And clearly, the caster is definitely swinging in this position. Yeah? So we've got more clearance on this side. Of course, it looks like a little imbalance over there, but this looks really good. So. So they already have it. They just need to be, now we're trying to protect the back. That's about it.